Hey y'all, this is Mrs. O'Connor Vince with another You.DJ tutorial. So I can select all these different effects here, and I'm going to show you quickly kind of how we go about doing that. The next effect that we're going to use here is called the masher. This is number 5. So again, let's listen to a little bit of the clip so we can get familiar with the audio track, and then we will look at the effect. So similar to reverse, right? And the slicer, this is kind of a combination of the two. So we're mashing up the audio, meaning it's kind of more chaotic in terms of affecting the audio. It's slicing it, but it's not as distinct space in between. And it's kind of creating this kind of chaotic effect. So that is the masher.